Oh yeah, bang bang Niner gang. Huh. Yeah, check it. I'm that old school rapper representing the Bay. In case you don't know, it's Pastor Dre. Gold Rush mentality, digging for the win. Levi Stadium, let the games begin. Rolling with the Niners on a quest for 6. I've been faithful to the Bay since Candlestick. Bang bang Niner gang, let the truth be told. Rocking that jersey of the red and gold. Gold-blooded, haha, that's what they say. In the city by the Bay where the legends play. From Montana to Rice, I thought you knew. And if you're faithful to the Bay, you know what to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Never hear you say Niner.